Alright guys, we're back in this funky Italian square here in the middle of Tokyo. We got the Roof RT35. Now today's vlog is going to be quite the adventure. We got a Huracan wrapped over there with a Balboni stripe, and of course the RT35 locking it down with the green interior, green wheels, and green exterior. We'll be talking about that car in a little bit. But dude, OG subscribers will remember we were here about a couple months ago in this little funky Italian square in the middle of Tokyo. And of course we got the Alfred Executive Lounge Edition just chilling right over there. Many thanks to Koji. But let's do the quick walk around of the RT35 real quick. We're just repositioning the car right around the corner. 1 of 35, 630 horsepower. I'm no Porsche connoisseur, but check this out. Does this car come in any other color? Let me know in the comments below. I've only seen it in this particular green with the green wheels and interior and the yellow calipers. One was actually for sale with RM Sotheby's. I think it was listed for like between 250 and 300,000 euros. But that being said, is this a yay or a nay? Pretty cool though. I do like roofs. We visited their factory about a couple years ago and they're actually very hospitable. The good thing about Tokyo is that it's so clean and pristine. Anywhere you go, there's no trash, there's no homeless people, there's no nonsense. And we got the RT35 just chilling right over there. 1 of 35 ever produced, and it was built in 2012 based off a 991 Porsche. I'm gonna try and cross the street here, but not for the reasons that you might think, because we're gonna go to the vending machine right over here. Oh yeah. Actually guys, on second glance, there's nothing really worth getting here. We're gonna have to pass. Sorry. Guys, I was just talking about how clean this place is. We got two workers over there just picking up trash. Something that you will definitely not see in Los Angeles or most of the states. It's got 630 horsepower, 70 more than the 991 Turbo that's based off of. But anyways, we're gonna head out of here because we got a Lowrider show to attend to, so stay tuned guys. All right, we got all the photographers lining up, getting the artsy shot with the subways in the background. The car is better lit here. We got these street lamps right above. You see the color a lot better there. Green on green on green. Believe it or not, that is a Porsche 911R. That's the loudest anyone's ever driven or revved their Porsche 911R ever. 911Rs, some jamoke was trying to sell them for $1 million. The prices have kind of leveled off a little bit, so now we're rolling. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the Porsche content. Off to see some lowriders. The police have whipped out the cones. You know it's serious. The Lowrider show is over before.
But no, they're packing the cones up, aren't they? Or are they just putting them up?
I don't know. This does not bode well for the Lowrider show, guys. I'm sorry. We got bad news, guys. The Japanese police are setting up cones right there with a junction where the lowriders usually roll through, and we got a woman with a cone on her back. Yes, pink headlights, rocking it, rolling deep. Got the whole squad here. A Hummer truck with flashing lights. That is a sick color. Oh yeah. We got 3 in a row here. Itching to put on a good show. Yes. The taxi driver is so confused. Look at him. He goes, what the fuck? He's going back in. Got the floaters. Yes. The floaters on the Nissan Murano. Are you kidding me right now? On 24s. Yes. 24s. That's true donk stuff right there, because they put the size of the wheels on their windows. Not 30s though, 24s. 2018 I made a resolution to attend a lowrider show. I'd have come 5,500 miles to Tokyo to see one. Yes! The 3-wheel action. Yes! Oh, he's got the 5% Limousin's. Yeah! That is a classic. Check that out. And I think he brought the wrong Reno is back. Classic Florida donk on 24s. It's the Lowrider mini bike or something. No way. Check out this van, dude. And we got an older Lincoln Navigator right over there. Dude, check out the back of the seat. It's a fucking $100 bill. Yes! Oh. We got the police still rolling around here, guys, but there are a couple of donks, a couple of trucks, American cars, Impalas, the Airs, and of course the Lowriders. I'm gonna wait for this light to turn green and catch this guy in action. Yeah. Sick. The hydraulics, man, the hydraulics. Condition of these cars are impeccable. Absolutely clean. 100% legit. Oh, there you go. Dude, his fucking license plate is 420. Oh my god. Look at that paint. Look at the paint. Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that. Get him? Low and slow is the name of the game. Wagon, chrome wheels, and this Nissan Cube with diplomat plates has decided to park in the middle of the fucking street. Nice. Check out this white Impala, guys. Super clean, spick and span. Look at that. Now, what's interesting is this Scion right here has hydraulics. Check this out. Yes, on the Scion. Yeah. That's funny. So usually when these lowrider meets happen, they're parked all on the side right here, down the street, around the block. But unfortunately, the police today have pretty much shut it down. So sorry for the lack of excitement and content, but a few did come out. It's still pretty damn cold outside, and yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna try out this 24-hour hot menu casual frozen foods vending machine at Tatsumi. Which one are you choosing?
Oh, that one. Oh, doing countdown.
This one doesn't play music.
Oh, it's 90 seconds? One. Oh! Open. Oh, it comes in a nice little box. Open it. There you go. Oh,
Smoky red.
Do you get like utensils to eat it, or you gotta use your?
Oh, that's
side.
Oh no way! Nice. Okay. There you guys have it. For 370 yen, you get 6 chicken balls. All right, we're gonna do a little airdrop here. Hold on. Wait.
Hurry up.
All right, go.
All right, catch.
You fucking. Oh.
We'll probably all destroy that.
Okay. We're at an unknown art exhibition here in Odaiba. It's really, oh fuck, I can't see shit. Alright guys, I'm not really sure what we're walking into here, but... Look at this shot we're getting.
Show me.
That's it. Wait. Let's put it on the camera. Hold on. Oi. There
That's
it is,
a live
guys.
video.
That's pretty sick. Check this out. It's like a skate park on acid. Whoa. Go on. You touch one of these little balloon thingies, they change colors.
It's cooking an egg.
It's cooking an egg. Oh.